Welcome to part 5 of our annual forum video. In this part I'll be very proud to talk to you about SafetyNet, our new client portal. SafetyNet is a brand new bespoke piece of software that we've had written specifically for our member clients, and I'm going to take you through step by step exactly how to use it. We begin here. This is where you'll receive your invitation from us to join SafetyNet. So as it says, welcome to the client portal, all you need to do is to click on this link and it will take you to your invitation screen. All you need to do is fill in your email address, your name, and select a password, and then click Save and Continue, and you're in. Welcome to the home screen of SafetyNet. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour around this and you'll see how to navigate to all the different areas. So first of all, your client logo will appear up here. Move over a little bit and you'll be able to see exactly who your safety advisor is. You can email them directly from here if you want to. Moving on down, we've got just some reminders for you really. If you want to book training with us over the phone, there's the number for you. And also, if you'd like to book site inspections online through the website, here's a link to take you there. On this side of the screen, on the right hand side here, we have all our up and coming training courses. So this is a really convenient way, if you need to book people on, to just immediately do that. Let's take a look at the Safety Management System page. Select it up here on the navigation, and let's see what we have for you here. First of all, on the left hand side, you have the score from your last annual review. You can see how many reds, ambers and greens. On this little graph here, you've got the history as well, how you've done in the past leading up to now. On the right hand side of the page, you will see the scores and the questions for your last annual review audit. Okay, these are all summarised here, just the question and the score. Now what SafetyNet does quite cleverly is if you've scored anything less than a 3, so if there's action to take, it will take that and put it into the to-do list that you'll see in the middle of the screen. You can decide in your own business who you wish to carry out the actions that are necessary. And a brilliant feature of SafetyNet, and we're really excited about this, is that you have the ability to comment on these actions and to say that they've been closed out. So I'm just going to show you here how easy that is. All you need to do is click on comment, say what you've done about it, say that you've closed that action out, save it, and we'll be able to see that in the future. In fact, we'll be able to see that as soon as you press save. Whenever you want to get back up to the home page, just press the client portal button up at the top of the screen. The next tab along the navigation here are your reports. This is where you will begin from the 1st of April to see site inspection reports appearing, and also if your annual review happens after that date, it will appear here for you as well. So scroll down to see all this basic information about your reports. You can see the date they were carried out and the time, what kind of report they are, who carried them out, the score, also your responsible person, your site manager or person in the office, and the location. To open that up and see exactly what it says, you just need to click on View. Just like with the Safety Management System page, you can check into these and close out actions. Again, incredibly important. If you're going to the effort of having a site inspected, your site management or your workshop managers as they might be, you need to get them to log in and say, yeah, I've done that, it's now safe, it's sorted. Such a valuable thing to be able to do. And it works in exactly the same way as you saw on the Safety Management System page. Pop in your comment, press save, and it's done. Back up to the client portal, to the home screen. And from here you can also see your training records. Training records will be available on your home screen from the 1st of April last year. So from the 1st of April 2019, you'll see your records. You can see the date the training was carried out, who did it, the course they attended, and also how many attendees came from your company. Click in to see who attended. Just press on All Delegates, and you'll see exactly who showed up. And you can also look at the documents that were associated with that course, or if it's a future booking of course, you may want to send out joining instructions to a specific person, you might need to send a map to somebody, you can do it here. Back up to the client portal, Next we're going to have a look at the communication tab. Now in this tab you will see a record of your interactions with us. So if you phoned us up for some advice and you want a record of it, maybe you need to show it to somebody else within your business, this is the best way to do it. This is just a summary. Click on view and you'll see exactly what was discussed with whom in our company. We will send an automatic notification to your safety advisor if you've had interaction from us in the office, and also log who you actually spoke to. Next up is the library. Now this is a change from logging into our website to get your hands on the library of useful documents that we provide. You simply do it through the client portal. So on here you will find the risk assessments, you'll find COSH assessments, you'll find the documents you need to populate your safety management system, and lots of other useful things as well. In the future you'll probably even find this video. Just going to check on how easy it is to open these up. I'm going to go to electrical tools. Very important, these are risk assessments that we've provided in template format for you to adapt. So we're asking here for you to accept responsibility that once you've opened that document, and it's an adaptable Word document, it's your document. Okay, so you accept that, download it just with a simple click, and you can open it up just as you would any download. The next tab along in the navigation is the Documents tab, and this will be where we will store things like consultancy work documents that we produce for you. So for example, if we've produced an induction talk for you, if we've produced a construction phase plan, a site-specific risk assessment for a specific job, you'll find it in the consultancy section. If you want to find your last safety policy, your most up-to-date copy of that, you'll find it in the membership folder. Finally, very important this section, you have control over who sees what parts of this client portal. So these are the users that we've created for our testing client here, and you can see that different users have access to different parts of this system. The areas here correspond with the tabs in the navigation that I've just shown you. So our second person down has the ability to see all of that. The third person down there, Etienne, he has access only to documents, reports and the library. So it's entirely up to you as the first user, our first administrator, to decide who you give access to, which parts of the system. Here's how we create a new user for your system. Simply click on Add User, put in the person's full name, their email address, give them a password, re-enter the password of course, and then you get to choose which parts of this system you would want that person to see. Save it and you're all set. They will then receive an email invitation just like the one that you saw at the start of this video. I really hope you enjoy SafetyNet. We've had quite a time organising this and working out exactly how it needs to be, and as Simon said earlier, we really did take those big pieces of flip chart paper from last year's annual forum, we looked at them, and this is the result of it. A brand new, bespoke, just for you piece of software. I really hope that you like it and that you find it easy to use. Please give us your feedback. In the meantime, enjoy SafetyNet.